Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of the Alan Bradley PLC series. In this session, we are going to discuss about the IP address, means how to set the IP address for the MicroLogix PLC. So here you can see the PLC, which is of Alan Bradley MicroLogix PLC. So in front of you, you can observe some indications like the LED is turned on here. The two LEDs are turned on, the power and the run. So it's showing the green color or the green signal, so it's mean that the system is going on properly. Along with that, here on your left side you will get the one communication port, that is nothing but the RS232. So by using that communication port, we can able to download the program which we have designed into the software. Right? Now here you can observe some buttons like upward key, downward key, right, and the forward and the reverse key. Along with that, here you can see the escape button, and below that here you can observe the OK button. So before setting the IP address, make sure that you have to press the escape button, means you can go out from the last setting and you can able to set the, or you can able to provide new setting to your MicroLogix type PLC. Okay, so initially what you need to do here, you can check. So first of all, I have pressed the escape button, then accordingly you can observe the number of options are here: IO status, monitoring, then the mode switch is there. Along with that, you can observe the user display and the advanced set. So if you want to set the IP address, simply go to the advanced set. In advanced set, you can observe some more options like key mode, then the configuration option, and the one more thing which we want to learn in this session, that is nothing but the Ethernet configuration. Right? Simply go to the Ethernet configuration, and here the one more thing which you will get after selecting the Ethernet configuration option, that is nothing but the status. Right? So simply below the status you are observing the IP address. So here we need to set the desired IP address. So simply click on it, and then you will get the interface to set the IP address. So initially what happened, if you are observing this display, keypad display, in this display you can observe the IP address is already given, 192.168.10.12. Okay. So if the IP address is not set, so simply you can able to set the IP address by using these keys. Right? It's very simple. Okay. And the most important part, the last number .12, okay, that should not be same while setting the IP address in your computer. That should be changed. Means if here the IP address means the last digit, if it is a 12, then that should be something different. That should be something different, means like a 13, like a 14 in your computer. Okay, so this is the simple thing which we need to remember about the IP address, right? And one more thing, if you are using the MicroLogix PLC, in this MicroLogix PLC, you can able to set the master password. Means you can able to provide additional security to your downloaded program. Now simply you can see here I'm setting the IP address. So this is the way I'm just changing the last number. Okay. Now here I have set the last number, that is 010. So here what you are observing, the subnet address is there, and here the most important part which we need to set, that is nothing but this gateway address, right? So we just need to change the last address like this. So in this way you can able to set the IP address. Once you have set the IP address, simply press the OK, and then finally press the escape button. Okay. Now here I'm showing you we have just learned how to set IP address in the MicroLogix PLC. Similarly, we have to set the IP address in our computer, in our system as well. Okay. Simply in your search panel, search the Ethernet setting, then you will get these options like Ethernet, and in front of the Ethernet here you can see some related setting option are here. Simply click on the change adapter option. The change adapter option, you will get so many things, but just click on the Ethernet. Double click on Ethernet. Okay, here once you double click on the Ethernet, you will get the Ethernet property, and here just scroll down. Here you will get so many options. Now here we just need to select this one. Internet protocol version means simply what we can see, IPv version means Internet protocol version. So simply just double click on it. Then here you can observe you will get the options to set the IP address, right? So it's very simple. Simply here if you have set the IP address like one, here I'm changing the IP address just for your understanding. Initially we have set the IP address like this. Here I'm also changing it. Okay, so like this. Here the last digit that should not be same. That should be changed. Okay, that should be changed. Means in the MicroLogix PLC we have set it to I think set it 10 value, but here we need to set it some different value. Means 11, you can say 12, and once you have set the IP address, just click on OK. Right? Means by using this process, you can able to interface your hardware with your system easily, right? Then and then we can able to communicate with these two things. So this is all about the this session. In the next session, we are going to learn about some more topic. Thank you.